Zinc phosphate cement, starting from the introduction, it is the oldest of the luting cement, also known as a crown and brace, and zinc oxyphosphate cement. Its long clinical record of success serve as a standard by which the newer cements are compared, so it's called a gold standard. Then application. There are four. First is luting of the restorations like inlay, crown, FDP, etc. Then second is the luting of the orthodontic bands and brackets. Then third one is the high strength bases, and then fourth one is the temporary bases. Then classification. On the basis of film thickness, there are type 1 and type 2. 25 micrometer or less film thickness, fine grain and used as a luting agent is type 1. And then come to type 2. Film thickness is 40 micrometer or more, medium grained particle, and then used in the luting and also a restoration material. The next is available as, it's available as a two form. First is the powder and liquid form, and then second capsules of the pre-proportional powder and liquid. The next is the composition. Two form. First is in powder form. The main ingredient is a zinc oxide, which is 90.2%. The second one is a magnesium oxide, which is 8.2% and help in the sintering, reduces the temperature of the sintering. Then silica 1.4%, which improve the working characteristic. Then other oxide like barium oxide, calcium oxide, bismuth oxide, which is 0.1%, smoothness of the mixture and lengthen the working time. Then liquid. Phosphoric acid, which is 38.2%, react with the zinc oxide. Then aluminum, which is 2.5%, essential for the cement forming reaction. Then zinc, which is 7.1%, function as a modulator. Then main is a water, which is 36%, control the rate of reaction. Then manipulation. Dispense the liquid first. Powder liquid ratio is 1.4 gram by 0.5 milliliter. Divide the powder in the one corner of the glass slab into the increments. Correct amount of liquid add. Add the powder to liquid at the 15-second interval. Mix it over a large area, then test by making the string of the cement. Lift it to the 12 mm to 19 mm. Then control of the working time. The first one is the alteration in the powder liquid ratio. When we increase the powder liquid ratio, the mixture will be a thinner, which changes the mechanical property, so it is not advisable. Then second is the long mixing of the first increment, by which heat is dissipated. Then third one is the prolonged spatulation, in which matrix break down, so it takes time to rebuild the matrix. Then fourth one is the cool glass slab technique, which is also known as frozen glass slab technique. Then setting reaction. Aluminium forms complex with the phosphoric acid, react with zinc forming zinc aluminophosphate gel. It is an acid base reaction and exothermic reaction. The pH is 3.5. Mixing time is 1.5 to 2 minutes. Working time is 5 minutes. Setting time is 2.5 to 8 minutes. Control of the setting reaction. The control of setting reaction in two. First, during the manufacturing process. Then in this there is a 4. The first one is the sintering temperature. When we increase the sintering temperature, the setting reaction will slow down. Then second is the particle size. When we decreases the particle size, so setting reaction will increases. Then third one is the water content of the liquid. When we increase the water content of liquid, it set fast, but when we decrease the water content in liquid, there will be a slow setting. Then fourth one is the buffering agent. It reduces the setting reaction. Then control of setting reaction by operator. The first one is by increasing the temperature, there is a fast setting. Then second is by decreasing the powder liquid ratio, there will be a slow setting. Then third is the rate of addition of the powder liquid. When we decrease it, there will be a slow setting. Then fourth is the mixing time. When we increase the mixing time, there will be a slow setting. Then next is the properties. The first is the compressive strength, which is very high, 104 to 119 megapascal. Then tensile strength, which is 5.5 megapascal. Then modulus of elasticity, which is 13.7 gigapascal. Then solubility and disintegrity, which is 0.3. Then film thickness, which is 20 micrometer. Then thermal property, good thermal insulator. In adhesive property, there is only a mechanical interlocking. In biological property, the pH is 2 to 3, and after set it is a 5.5 to 6 pH. It is a moderate pulpal response. Then in optical property, the set cement is opaque. Then advantage, it is a good compressive strength and strength to maintain the restoration. Then disadvantage, no chemical adhesion, no anti-cariogenic property, pulp irritation, and poor aesthetic. Then modified zinc phosphate cement. There are two. First is the silver salt or copper oxide, which added the antibacterial property. Then second is the fluoride cement. By adding the fluoride up to 1 to 3%, it increases the solubility. It increases the solubility and decreases the strength. It has also an anti-cariogenic property.